Freecash and Rewarded Play earn money in completely different ways, so the app that pays more depends on whether you're willing to complete a variety of offers or you only want to play mobile games. By the end, you'll know which platform gives you the better earning potential for the amount of time you're willing to spend. If your only goal is playing games for rewards, Rewarded Play is the simpler option. After installing the app, you download eligible games through its marketplace, play them, complete milestones, and earn points that can be exchanged for supported gift cards. The experience is focused almost entirely on gaming, so there's less to learn before you start. Freecash is much broader. Instead of relying on one type of task, it combines mobile game offers, surveys, app downloads, account signups, product trials, and partner offer walls in a single platform. That gives you many more earning opportunities, but every offer comes with its own requirements. Some ask you to reach a certain game level, while others require completing surveys or registering for a service before rewards are credited. That's the biggest reason many users say, Freecash has higher earning potential. You're not limited to one activity. If game offers slow down, you can switch to surveys. If surveys aren't available, you can browse another offer wall or complete a different task. Having multiple earning categories gives you more flexibility than an app focused almost entirely on gaming. The trade-off is complexity. Rewarded Play is easier for someone who wants to install a game, play during free time, and gradually build up points. You spend less time comparing offers and more time actually playing. Freecash rewards users who read offer instructions carefully. Missing a required step or stopping before an offer milestone is completed can delay or prevent rewards. Taking a few extra minutes to understand the requirements usually leads to a smoother experience. So which pays more? If you're comparing overall earning potential, Freecash generally gives you more ways to earn because it includes several categories of offers instead of just mobile games. If you're comparing convenience, Rewarded Play is often easier because nearly everything revolves around downloading and playing games. The best choice comes down to how you like to earn. If you want maximum flexibility, start with Freecash. If you only care about gaming rewards and a straightforward experience, Rewarded Play is probably the better fit. Compare the available offers on both platforms before investing your time because the best opportunities change regularly. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest app comparisons and earning app reviews.